In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Slides on mobile. If you want to create, edit, or present slides from your phone, you'll have everything you need in just a few minutes. In this walkthrough, we'll focus on Android so you can get the official Google Slides app quickly and safely. Start by opening the Google Play Store on your Android device. On the home screen of the Play Store, tap the search bar at the top, then type Google Slides. You'll see a list of results. Look for the app named Google Slides by Google LLC. Checking that the developer is Google LLC helps you avoid lookalike apps. You'll recognize it by the familiar yellow icon with a white slide outline. Once you've found it, tap Install. The download will begin right away. If you're on a limited data plan, it's a good idea to be connected to Wi-Fi and make sure you have a bit of free storage space so the install can complete without interruptions. When the installation finishes, you can tap Open directly from the Play Store or find the new Google Slides icon in your app drawer or on your home screen. After installing, open the Google Slides app. The first time you launch it, sign in with your Google account. If you use more than one account, choose the one where your presentations live in Google Drive so everything appears in one place. You'll land on the main screen showing your recent files and folders. From here, creating or opening presentations is simple. Tap the plus button to start a brand new presentation. This gives you a blank slide and access to templates, so you can quickly set a theme and begin adding content. Or, if you already have files in Google Drive, just browse your list and open an existing presentation. Your changes save automatically as you work. With Google Slides on mobile, you can create polished presentations, edit slides on the go, and collaborate with others in real time. You can also open and work with PowerPoint files, which is helpful if teammates send you .pptx slides. And if you're traveling or have spotty service, the app supports working offline, so you can keep editing and your updates will sync the next time you're connected. That's all there is to it. Open the Play Store, search for Google Slides by Google LLC, install, then open the app, sign in, and either tap the plus button to create a new presentation or open an existing file from Google Drive. You're ready to build, edit, and present from your phone anytime.